Hey darlings, this video is to show you how to work on a Desmos assignment. Okay, so I'm signed in as a student and I'm going to go to classwork, and here is my Desmos assignment. So you notice it has a link that says Students Desmos, right? So that's how you know it's a Desmos assignment. It'll have student.desmos in it. So it says here to click the link and then answer the questions. And when you're done, come back to Google Classroom and click turn in. That way, that'll notify me that you finished it. I mean, if you don't do the turn in, I can still eventually find out that you finished it, but clicking turn in will make me look at it right away. Okay, so let's do it. You click that link and your name should, you might have to enter your name the first time. I think mine is coming up because I've done it more than once. So you're going to get a series of screens that are going to tell you, these screens are going to ask you questions, and you're going to type them in or graph them in, whatever it asks you. So this one says, write an ordered pair that is a solution to this equation. So I'm going to write, I don't know, 5 equals 0 plus 5, right? So I'm going to write 0 for x. I'm doing the easy answer, but there's more answers. I hope you'll give a different answer, right? So I'm going to say that. Now, if you say share with class, you'll get 3 answers that other students gave. So it's nice to click share with class because they'll see your answer and you'll see theirs. It won't have your name though. It'll just be like, it'll just show what other people said. And you can always change what you write here, right? But the real thing you want to do is click next. You don't have to click share, but you do have to click next to go to the next one, right? So now they're saying write an ordered pair for this one, right? And again, you can, after you write your answer, you can share with class. And some of them will ask you, let's see, there's one more I want to show you. Okay, in this one, they ask you to write 2 linear equations. So you can say, like, you can just type right here, y equals 3x plus 2. And it just immediately graphs it, right? So now you have to write another one. So that's kind of basically it. It's not that hard. I hope you like it. Let me know if you have any questions. And don't forget, when you're all done, you're going to go back to this classwork and you're going to say mark as done. Okay, mark as done. You're going to click that, and then that will show me that you did it. Okay, bye.